Fox with Adventures of Spencer J. Fox. Today we're going to talk about visiting a wonderful, gorgeous place called Highlands, North Carolina. It's beautiful there. It has over 100 different waterfalls to see. It has streams and forests that are gorgeous. But if you love waterfalls, it's waterfall heaven. Now, in order to get to Highlands, North Carolina, you take Highway 64, which is a spectacular view while you're driving. Take a look at the moment of the different pictures that I took of the highway to Highlands, North Carolina. Streams, lakes. Now, as I said, for waterfalls, there are over different types of waterfalls that are in Highlands, North Carolina. I took two pictures of two different waterfalls, and you've got to see them. The first one is a dry waterfall. You park your car, you walk down this corridor, straight down into this little valley. Goes right behind the waterfall. It is beautiful. Now take a look at it. You can see the top of the waterfall it is and how beautiful it is. I left the sound on there so you can hear the water. Look at that. That's Now the other waterfall is the White Waterfall. Now this one is humongous. It starts high on a mountain and drops down hundreds of feet down into the river below. You park your car and you walk to this one and you go right on top and take a look at it. Now, if you want to get deeper into the waterfall, there's a very steep stairway that you can take. Now, I recommend that you have a good pair of shoes, plenty of water, and also you got to be in shape. The drop down is nothing like going back up, and it's rough. But it's beautiful and worth it. But you got to be in shape to be able to do that walk. If you can't do that walk to down into the corridors there, or the stairway, stay on top. You can see a beautiful view anyway. It's a beautiful, wonderful waterfall, White Waterfall. Now, when you're finished with seeing all these beautiful waterfalls, take a drive into downtown Highlands. There's shopping, there's restaurants, a hotel to stay in there. It's a beautiful little village to take a look at. Now, if you're interested in getting information about Highlands, North Carolina, here's a phone number up here to the Forest Service. They can direct you and give you any information that you need about Highlands, North Carolina, or go on any website that has information about Highlands. Now, Highlands also offers fishing, swimming, and also whitewater rafting. There's a lot of different things that you could do there. It's a beautiful place. So, if you're looking for a gorgeous place to look at in nature, and you love waterfalls, go to Highlands, North Carolina.